Listen, when a trader tells you he makes 30 to 40 million naira every 30 days, every month, don't you ever doubt him, because what you don't know is bigger than you. Now, in this video, I'm going to share a secret which so many people are using to make millions of naira here in Nigeria. This secret I'm going to share in this video, bear in mind that it's not just only meant for Nigerians. If you're living in Ghana, if you're living in Kenya, if you're living in Cameroon, if you're living in Uganda, if you're living in South Africa, if you're living in any part of Africa, you can utilize this particular secret that I'm going to share in this video and make lots of money in your own country. Now, people that are using this method will not even want you to learn this, because they will not even want you to make this kind of money. People are already using this method to make millions of naira and millions of different currencies in their own country, but nobody will want to share the secret in which he or she uses to make money. But I am here for you guys, and what I will never do is to get an information that I know that is going to help my brothers and sisters, and I will keep it to myself. What am I going to do with it? If I keep it to myself, have I made all the money you guys are going to make? So I am not that kind of person. Anytime I get an information that is going to be very useful to you guys, I will make sure I bring it out here and share with you guys. I can never hide any information from you guys. And it's not all YouTubers that will share this particular information, because most people that are even making videos on YouTube will not even want you to know the exact way in which they use in making lots of money. Now, this particular secret that I'm going to share with you guys here, I have 3 guys in Computer Village. 2 of them are selling laptops. 1 is selling accessories. I introduced this particular secret, this method that I'm going to share with you guys, to these guys. And last 2 months, I hanged out with one of those 2 guys that are selling laptop, and this guy was thanking me because of the information I gave him. He told me that, bro, do you know that I sell some laptops with 1 million, 1 million too? And I can't doubt him, because I'm the one that introduced the platform and the secret to him. Now, this same guy is not telling anybody in the market the way he uses to source his own product. But in this video, I'm going to reveal all the secrets. I'm not going to leave any stone unturned. I am going to reveal every single secret to you guys in this video. And if you're watching this video, make sure you watch this video to the end if you want to get all the information I'm going to share in this video. And if you're watching my video for the first time, I don't need to tell you what to do. If you want to subscribe, if you don't want, don't subscribe. My own is just to give information. If you don't want to be getting information, that's your business. I am not the one to be losing. So if you get information that is going to be useful to your life, and you feel you want to get another information that will be more useful to your life, if you want, subscribe. If you don't want, don't subscribe. Now, we are going to go right into my laptop. Okay, let me review everything. I have used this platform to get up to like 8 to 10 things here in Nigeria, and all of them arrived safely without any problem. I bought things for people. You can't believe that most of the things I bought for people through this method I'm going to show you, I made double of the money I used in buying the stocks from those people. You can actually use this particular method I'm going to share in this video to buy things at the cheapest level and sell it at a very good price that people will rush you and buy it out from you. Even if you're not the kind of person that sells things, you can actually use this particular method I'm going to show you in this video to buy things for yourself. And for those of you that wants to buy a new laptop because of my online training on how to make an image to talk, please pay attention to this video, because those laptops you're going to Computer Village and different places to buy, those of you living in Lagos and those of you living in so many other different countries, you can actually get these things. I'm going to use this laptop for an example, because most of these laptops, 1050, 2050, 3080, 4090 that I mentioned, if you want most of these laptops, the Tokumbo in Computer Village is where you can get electronics cheapest in Nigeria. Now, but in Computer Village, most of these laptops that I mentioned now, from 1050 to 4090 GeForce NVIDIA graphics card, these laptops, the cheapest you can get 1050 is, let's say 500, 600, 700,000 for a fairly used, Tokumbo. But I'm going to show you a platform where you can get even 4090 for 350, 400K, 4090. If you see 4090 in Computer Village, fairly used, bros, if you don't have up to 1.6 to 1.8 million, you will not be able to buy it. If you want, challenge me and go to Computer Village, find any laptop that has GeForce NVIDIA graphics card, Core i7 or Core i9, 16 or 32 gig RAM, price it. If it's less than 1.5 as a fairly used, please stop watching my video. But I am going to show you where you can buy these laptops, brand new one, mint, say waterproof, where you can buy it for as low as 350, 400. If you buy a laptop of 500,000, bros, if you bring that laptop to Computer Village, or if you want to resell it, you're selling that laptop of 500,000 for like 2 million or 2 million too. You guys don't even know that there are laptops of 2.5 million, 3 million here in Computer Village. I am not joking. But I am going to give you a platform where you can use to be making money, not online, in real life, if you are the kind of person that like reselling things. Now, if you still not the kind of person that like reselling things, and if you are the kind of person that likes buying things at a cheaper rate, all you need is just to give yourself a week or 2 weeks, and these things will arrive in Nigeria, and you will buy it at the cheapest level. I'm going to use like 2 or 3 examples to show you guys in this video. I don't want to go too far so that this video wouldn't be too long. Let's dive right into my laptop. Okay. Now, let's go to this website. See, this is Aliexpress. Okay. And this here I search for laptops, and let me show you some laptops that I opened. This is Core i9 gaming laptop. Normal laptop is different from gaming laptop. If you can be able to get this laptop is sold for 428,000. Bros, this Core i9 gaming laptop, if you see it in Computer Village, and if you see it for the brand new one, if you see it less than 2 million, just know that everything I'm saying in this video is a lie. Now, this 428,000 naira laptop, you can bring it in to Nigeria for 22,000. China to Nigeria via DHL. DHL will deliver this laptop directly in front of your house. Now, let's check another one. This laptop is 284. This is Core i7. You can see Core i7. Core i7, 284,000. This is brand new laptop, not fairly used. This one is 294. There are laptops of, you can bring it in for 23,000, 15.6 inch. Okay, this is K9 double mic, which is the mic that I'm using to record this video. I love this mic because of the sound, and it gives me freedom. There's no wire, it's wireless, and the sound is very okay. This is the second mic that I'm using. This is double. This is the same double, 2-in-1 mic. I had the first one, which is the 1-in-1. I bought this one for 9,000, and after making one particular video, I forgot to remove it from my shirt, and I threw it in the washing machine, and that was how it got spoiled. And I tried to sun it and everything. It didn't come back. So immediately the next day, I started looking for a double mic in case if I have an interview with somebody or something. I just decided to use a double mic in case if this one spoils, I will use the second one and still continue. The cheapest I got this was 14,000 naira. The cheapest, even I had to beg this guy. The cheapest, he was saying 15K last. At that 15K, he was still the cheapest. I was seeing 18, 19, 20K, 22K. Now, this same mic is sold for 3,420 naira here. And let me open it. Let me check. And this is the mic, 3,420 naira. And bringing it down in Nigeria will only cost you 1,050 naira, 1,047 naira. And you see China to Nigeria via Aliexpress standard shipping. And this thing is expected to land June 21. This is May, June. This is just like a month plus, and you will receive this. Now, apart from this, there are so many other things you can buy through this platform. This is drone. You can see, can you imagine? Drone, 16,500 and something. And you will use 1,900, let's say 2,000. This one is another drone, 13,000, that's 14,000. And you bring this drone with 1,361. That's 1,400. Is there any drone? Is there any way you can buy any drone, no matter how small it is, here in Nigeria for 50K? It's not possible. So even if you bring this drone, selling it for 50K is as a giveaway. So this is a platform that you can utilize to buy and resell. You can still buy things here. So if you're buying something now and you're expected to get it by 21st of June, just 1 month, won't you have patience to buy a laptop that will cost you 1.7, 1.8 million to 2 million naira in Computer Village, and you're getting it here for like 400 or 350 or 250, and you will have your Core i7 laptop Now, assuming a company tells you to supply 100 or 200 Core i7 or Core i9 laptops, if you send your quotation to the company, you will beat your competitors like small picking. So many guys are using this platform to make lots of money. And I'll be very selfish and self-centered to have this kind of information, which I know that is going to help my subscribers on this channel, and I will hide it. If I hide it, am I going to make the money you're going to make when our country is as difficult as anything I can think of? And I'm hiding this kind of information when I know it's going to help my brothers and sisters. I am not that kind of person. I can't do that. For those of you that are watching this video, this is meant to be a paid content on my online store, but I'm giving it out for free. And for those of you that wants to buy a higher laptop, that wants to join my online training, this is a platform that I'm introducing to you guys that will help you get anything, not just laptop. Use your phone. Even if you don't have a laptop, bros, use your phone. Your Android phone, go to your store, download Aliexpress, go to your iPhone store, download Aliexpress. Search for anything that you want to buy or something that you bought last month or 2 months ago. Check the price there and check what you use to bring it here via DHL or standard shipping. Nothing concern you. Nothing concern you concern custom. I tell you, waiting at if I give you this information, if you don't want, that's your business. They play. The information I'm giving you guys is information that if you really know what you're doing, you will use this particular platform and make lots of money. Not all Nigerians that are going to watch this video. It's only those that are subscribed to this channel or those that are opportune to get this information that will get this information. So guys, I don't just want to say much on this particular video, but I am just giving you guys top secrets on how you can start making money. Don't always focus your mind on making money online and making money online when there's a way you can make money in real life. I mean, if before you make money online, bros, you need to have some kind of skills. And apart from skills, you need to build your network. You need to build your leads. You need to do a particular thing for a long time consistently for you to build those leads. So if you're not the kind of person that have that kind of skill that start creating content, building leads, and making people to trust you and all that, you can utilize this platform. Just get people have different needs, daily needs. People have different needs. Your need and my need is not the same. So what I want to buy today or tomorrow might not be what you want to buy today or tomorrow. I don't want to say much in this video. If this information I gave you in this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if there's somebody that you know that this video is going to favor, please share this video to that person. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscription button and turn on that notification button so that you won't miss any of my content. Now, if you're not yet a member in my Telegram channel, please make sure you join my Telegram channel so that you can communicate with me one-on-one by scanning the barcode you're seeing in front of your screen, or by clicking the Telegram channel link in the description below this video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed. And please make sure you search for something on this platform with your phone or laptop, whether Android, whether Apple. Search for anything you want to buy. Search for something that you bought already and check out the price and see how much they are going to use to bring this thing to your doorsteps here in Nigeria. So that is all I have for you guys in this video.